The next thing that we will want to deal with is our group chats. So Wechaty allows us to create and add and remove users from new group chats. So the first thing that we'll want to do is learn how to create a new group chat. So let's just add a condition here that if our message is create, then let's create a new group chat. So the first thing that we need to create a new group chat is a list of contacts to add to that group chat, and we need at least two. So just for these purposes, I'm going to use the message talker who sent the message and the message to just these two accounts. And then we can create a new room object of our new group chat with room create, and we'll pass in our contact list, and we'll also pass in a topic to be the name of our new room. So let's just name it new room. And then after we've created this room, we can also say a message into it. So let's just say welcome to new room. So I'll go into WeChat and I'll send to this account that create message. We log that message, and we are also added to this new room group chat. Now that we've created that new group chat, we can also handle how to add and remove users from it on a group chat that's already existing. So let's add a new condition. If we receive the message add, then we want to find that room that we created before. We can find it with room.find and our topic that we made before to be called new room, the title of the room. And then let's log that as well. Then let's check if our message receiver or the person that sent the request to be added into the group chat, let's check if they are already in that room or not. So we can use has to check if the message talker is in the room. And let's have it be if they are, let's log that they are in the room. Let's put their name, name, and say is in the room, and then in the other case, so here that they are not in the group chat, then let's go ahead and log that they is not in the room. And then if our user is in the room, let's go ahead and take them out of it. So we will do new room dot delete our message talker, and in the other case, if they are not in the room, then let's go ahead and add them in for these purposes, and let's take a look. So let's open WeChat, and I'm in this room already, and let's say I send the add request. So we will see that I am in the room and it has gone ahead and removed me.